at Cramponese Primary School, acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have with us today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our very first Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. It is just so fantastic to see everybody back at school. I would like to send out a very special welcome to all our new students, our new families to the school, and a very special welcome to our preps, our foundation students, who are commencing their journey of lifelong learning. Well, today my message is going to be short, only to give you two reminders. The first one is remember to wear your school-approved hat, not only on the way to school, on the way home to school, but during the recess and lunch breaks, and especially during any outside learning. And the other message I have for you is to please ensure that you do some reading every single night. Find something of interest. You can read to a grown-up, you can read to a brother and sister, you could even read to your cat, but make sure you read every single day. All right, thanks everybody. Just a reminder about ensuring that we sanitise our hands, that we social distance, we maintain a distance from other people, and for those students and staff, please ensure you're wearing your mask inside. All right, thanks everybody. Absolutely fantastic to see you all, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.